What's happening with you, brother?
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money. So what you saying? You don't respect me? What I'm saying is, speak up, nigga. I'm hungry.
Man. Hey,
man cannot live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit.
I be smoking, have a
Carl,
clean.
you look a little
I'll
thin,
swap
man.
this,
You
man.
gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah, I
What
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos? Tacos again? Hell no. Chicken, man. No discussion. Man, I don't want no chicken.
See more.
Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
How moms get killed? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet. How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared. Some people say they...
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his. Let me get a number 6
Right,
for extra dip. I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large,
Bà bị
a number 6
chơi vô
extra
chơi
dip, a number 7, 2 number 45,
cứ vô tầm
one
muối
with
đầu vía
cheese,
vô
a
sợn
bar
chơi ra
soap.
là đây thơ bên một cái
Hey, sorry, bro. You know I gotta know about mom.
I know, CJ, I know. Just try not to think about it, bro. I mean, I didn't even know she was hit till it was all over. Yeah, right. Let's eat.
à là cà phê mà dương vậy bị mai dương chẳng bằng bị mai dương xóa xịt chưa lên
Hey, don't we got beef around here? We've been getting into it with these fools. I can't stand cold food. Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can.
Oh, shit. Trash can bitch.
Pass me my food. Hey, look. Kilo Trey scoping us out. Damn, Ryder, you a jinx.
Shit, them motherfuckers headed to
người
the
đó là môi ban dương nè ban dương phi đặt tập bộ rồi rồi mình đánh tam ban dương lấy dương đánh tam ban dương nhé
Why you ain't blast this, smoke? I'll shoot him when I'm done eating.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
I ain't stuffing it, homie.
dương bạch ấy dương bạch
Hey, kill the asshole.
bạch một bia tiêm bia cho người nữa thì dương bạch chi chẳng qua là ban cách tu này dương chia tới
I'm trying
một
to
hồi làm dương tới chạy chạy dương bên đi thành nữ ấy bài xe này thì à
Stab out of here, CJ.
dương bóng nó vẫn đau na đây dạ
That was some serious shit. Yeah, man, those ball fools won't try that again.
vị trí nó người vị trí trẻ vị trí chân với cò tay thoáng ngay chân tới vị trí chết
That food fills a hole.
rồi việc bắt trôi chắc rồi việc bắt tam lần một tapi đáp thêm một cái việc bắt hết việc bắn khi bây giờ bắn khi bây giờ đi bệnh nhẹ tới dương chành
That's one up for the grove. Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up. Yeah, it was getting cold. Y'all coming in for a beer? Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride.
All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later.
That's một hai dân ở đục kia thực ra là
Who was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you
Dạ,
can
Dương,
eat your
đục
food
kia thực ra
while
là
everybody else is losing theirs
Smoke
and blaming you, you
đã thực
straight
chất đã bị dương qua trang về tới dương sửa thường cao về chứ á dương tới đón trang về chứ
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the grove.
ta cái lái sợ qua bà là
I mean, it's a nice place and all. The grove is in my heart, baby. It's what my... Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your mom, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.
On Radio Los Santos.
mà bị dội ti